Welcome to the ET322 how-to video for the voltage multiplier lab. We're going to build it in Multisim. Okay, let's build the 4-time voltage multiplier. So let's grab some basic stuff here. So no diode, no resistor on this one yet. So let's use our transformer. And let's do 20 to 1. Get the same voltage that we had before, so 20 to 1, and let's go to basic, and we're going to go to electrolytic, and we need some 22s, and we need, looks like 4 of them. And let's grab some diodes. Our standard ones, and we need 4 of them. 1. And oh, we need our AC. So let's go back to sources. We need a ground. And we need an AC power. Okay, let's close out of this. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Okay, so we need to rotate these. This guy is down, so he's going to go clockwise. This one's up, so he's counterclockwise. This one is down, so he's clockwise, and this one's up, so he's counterclockwise. Good. That is correct on the first one. This one goes in between. This one goes in between those. His direction is correct, and this direction is correct. Good. So let's go ahead and put her together. Yeah, be careful, make sure that you put the diodes and everything in correctly. Okay. For grins, I'm going to go ahead and put in I'm going to put in a resistor down here and see if we get a DC measurement. Yeah, 10K looks good. We'll try 10. Okay, that looks like a good start there. Okay, before I put in the measuring equipment, I need to correct some mistakes. This is not grounded here. This is not connected here. This goes to my transformer, and this side goes to my circuit. That looks better. Sorry about that. Okay, let's build our charge pump circuit. So charge pumps are used when there's a DC voltage and you need to increase the voltage for some reason. This is used for programming microcontrollers that may have a 5-volt supply, but they need a higher voltage in order to program the IC. So anyway, let's get started. So we need some resistors, 1K, and a 10K. 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 Okay, and we're going to use a Schottky diode. Because those are fast switching diodes and they work better in this circuit. A 4001 will probably work too. It did in the lab, but not as well as these. So we're going to need 4 of these. And you notice the Schottky has the different symbol on the end of the arrow. And I just grabbed one on the top of the list and hopefully it works. So I need a bunch of 22 capacitors. And I need, I'm going to say 4. And it looks like I need a 4.7 and a 47. And okay, that looks good. So what we're going to do is I need a function generator with a TTL wave sort. So I'm going to go to sources. I'm going to go to signal sources and see if we got a clock voltage. That should give us a TTL. A TTL is 0 to 5 volts, not 5 to -5. So let's think this guy is fine, and 1 kilohertz, good. So let me zoom in, view, zoom area, and let's build this monster. So we got this guy here. Oops, and I forgot to get a ground. Here's our ground. Okay. And we're going to go into a 1K and we're going to rotate him 90. And then we have our Schottky and we're going to rotate him clockwise. Point down. And then we have a 22 and we're going to rotate him counterclockwise because we want the circular area up. And then we have a Zener diode, not a Zener, Schottky diode between them. And we're going to rotate this guy clockwise because we want him pointing down. Let's take this guy and we're going to rotate him clockwise because we want him aiming down in between these two. This guy's going to go over here. And we have a 22. We're going to rotate him counterclockwise. He's going, no, we got that. So we're going to rotate him back. Good. And then we need one way over here, and we're going to rotate him counterclockwise. And we're going to rotate this guy, don't care which way he goes. Here's our load resistor. Okay, this guy is going to be counterclockwise. Nope, the other way. We're going to flip him vertically. Good. And we have our 4.7 or 47, sorry, and we're going to rotate him clockwise. Good. The only thing we need is 5 volts, and I'm going to grab a special 5 volts. We're going to call it the VCC, and that should be 5 volts. So this is usually used with a 5 volt power supply of some kind. Oops. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and we're going to have a bus all the way over here. So let's just take this guy's be easier. That way we don't need to place a junction. Okay, let's double check. We got that. We got our Schottky. We got that. Good. And we're coming off our function generator, so we're going to go directly to our 1K. We have our Zener, Schottky. And this guy's upside down, so let's flip him vertically again. And this guy's going to go over to our diode. This guy's going to go down. Let's move him over a smidge. Actually, no, that's good. We're going to connect him. Make sure, double check everything to make sure I got it right. And I need a whole bunch of ground, so let me copy and paste these. Hot dog. Okay, that looks good. All right, let's fire this up and see what we got. So let's get our DMM and see how much voltage increased by. It's almost double, 9.5, so successful circuit.